Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Microsoft sign-in error 1200. Something went wrong. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in %, local app data, %, and then hit enter to open that up. Double click on the Microsoft folder. There should be a credentials folder. Go ahead and right click on that and select the trash bin delete icon. Once that's done, close out of here and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. That should hopefully resolve the problem. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.